Hello YouTubers, something I've been planning to do a long time is teach a riff from a riff I wrote when I was about 17 when I wrote this riff. Maybe even, I would have been 17. It's called The Devil Drives the Valiant, and it was a song that I recorded with a band called the Vaudevillains, and the riff for it goes like this. Okay, that was a little rusty, but you get the idea. I'm going to be teaching you this much, so... Okay, then that repeats. And we go. Alright, and that's what I'll be teaching you today. It's a really fun riff to play. It's a real combination of things. It's kind of... it's even got some weird chords in it. Anyway, I'll walk you through it. So, first chord's B minor. Now, at this stage, you aren't changing anything with the right hand in terms of what you're striking with what. The pick looks after anything on the 5th string, 4th string, and 6th string. That was a weird order to call that. Anyhow, 2nd finger plays on the 3rd string, and 3rd finger plays on the 2nd string. Okay, so we start by picking the 5th string, and then we pick the 4th string, and our 3rd finger over here picks the 2nd string. So then we bring the 1st finger across to the 6th string and we strike that, and then we pluck the 3rd string with the finger, and then we hit the 4th string. So I'm going to walk you through that again. 5th string, 4th and 2nd, 6th string, bring this 1st finger over to get the bass note. Okay, after we hit that 6th string, we then pluck the 3rd string and then strike the 4th string. So think of it like this. On its own, these two notes together, on its own, and that 2nd finger goes in between, because I think of it in terms of the beat. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now from here, after you've hit this note here, 1st finger goes to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Sorry, let me think about that. Yep, so 1st finger goes, I'll do that one more time, apologies. After that 4th string, we then get the 1st finger to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. We pluck that. Now by this stage you want to get these two fingers onto the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then your 3rd finger onto the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And what we do, so we've hit this, these have arrived, we hit the 4th string and the 3rd string together. So pick on the 4th string, and again, 2nd finger on the 3rd string. Okay, so. Now after that, your pinky goes there on the 5th fret of the 5th string. So they're all together, so it's not too hard. All on the beat. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. Now on beat 4, we play this. Okay, 4th fret on the 5th string, 3rd fret on the 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and we slide that up for 1. Okay, now I actually kind of do like a bit of a ghost strum there. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. Kind of keeps the beat. Now, after you've landed here, so this next chord, this chord here was actually G major 7, and then the next chord we go into, G major 7, we're basically playing a C sharp major, or just 2 notes out of a C sharp major chord, think of that. And then we're sliding into a D chord. But obviously I'm not using that shape, so we're going 4, 1, and then you pick the 4th string and the 2nd string at the same time, okay? And the chord I've got here, the 5th fret there on the 5th string, which is a D, an F sharp here on the 4th string or the 4th fret, and then my pinky's playing a D, and then an F sharp again. So it's really just the same chord doubled up. Sounds kind of cool. So at that point in time, having, I was studying music a little bit. Oh no, wait, I was only 17 years old. I'd worked out by that stage that you could literally make chords. If you knew the notes, the chord formula, the notes of the chord, you could literally make chords however you like, as long as you're using the right notes. So I just made that chord up, I guess. And there's nothing really special about it, but it's it's just a cool little chord. So what we're up to so far. Okay, so we've slid into there. Then we pick the 4th string and the 3rd and the 2nd all together. So boom, boom. Alright. Then bring the 2nd finger across. Now we do an in-between on the 3rd string. So, and then we hit that 4th string with the pick. Okay, so the whole thing. Oh, I messed that up. Go. Okay. I remember I actually did this video once before and I just canned it because I made so many mistakes trying to teach it, which was a bit of a shame, but here it is anyhow. I hope you're following along. So I'm going to play it one more time, nice and slow. Alright, sorry it's a little clunky. And then from here, we've just finished, you've just hit that 4th string, and then, so look, this is always approximated because I pick it up somewhere along there and slide it in. So to help you with this, what I'm going to do, when we finish this last chord, we'll play, think of it from the 7th fret, and you pick, so let's say actually from the 6th, and you make this C7 shape, if you're familiar with that chord, but we do it at the 6th fret, and we pick the 5th string, and the 2nd string and the 3rd string with our fingers, and that's your first beat, okay, for the next chord. So that's sort of your 1. We've anticipated it, we've arrived at the 1, and then on 2, now when we do that slide, pick the 5th string and the 3rd string, not the 2nd, my apologies. So, and then we pick the 4th string and the 2nd string. Now, okay, so we pick, at this point we pick the 5th string and the 3rd string, I hope that's what I said before, and then we hit the 2nd string now. Okay, so see, I'm picking these two, I'm sliding up, and then as I strike the 4th string, I pluck the 2nd. Then I bring the 3rd finger across, okay, and then I do the in between, the 2nd finger on the 3rd string, and then down on the 4th string. Alright, so whoop. There we go. Okay, wow, I'm really sorry about that bit there. It got a little bit confusing there. So yeah, like I said, I haven't actually really had to break this down before, and the last time I tried it was way worse than this. So yeah, we're picking the 5th and the 3rd, sliding up, 4th string and 2nd string together, 3rd finger across. Think of that as a roll. Now we do all that again, and we just go here, pick the 6th string, strum, get on your Bigsby. If you don't have one, put one on your guitar. I don't care if it's a Strat. Anyway, well, I guess they have a whammy, but I don't care if it's a what guitar would be. I don't care if it's a classical guitar. Stick a Bigsby on it. Alright, and that's it. Now it does that again. And then it's the end of it. So we're on this G7. I better walk you through that. So 6, 4 and 2. Then 5 and third string in a roll. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then pinch 1, 2 and 3, 4. And then we do the same thing. And that same thing again, I'll walk you through it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. Okay, is the pinch. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, then you're back to here. And this pattern when I sit on that chord is 1 on the 5th string, pinch the 4th and 2nd, hit the 6th string, hit the then pick the 3rd, and then hit the 4th. And you just keep repeating that. I actually think in the actual recording I did this. So same right hand pattern, but I was using this left hand chord. Okay, honestly probably not one of my best and well thought out lessons, but it's here for you to play around with, and yeah, I'm sure you can pull it apart from everything I've done there. Well, I certainly hope so. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah, check out the tune. And yeah, hope you dig it. There's a Psychobilly lesson, first one in a while. I'll catch you guys later.